1/3 cup pickle juice. Now if you have chicken stock, you can use that. I'm using vegetable stock because that's what I have. Got 1 cup total. Now I'm going to come in and add 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons of what's this here sauce. Now next step's optional. You can use Tabasco, whatever you want. I'm going to use this Karma sauce cherry bomb. Great tasting sauce, hot sauce, just a little. You don't have to put a lot. So that might have been 2 tablespoons, maybe 3, I don't know. And now we just want to whisk it up. And because we're not putting any like granulated garlic or dried seasoning, you don't have to heat this. You can just stir it up and it'll be ready for your chicken. So I'm going to just get my injection marinade here. In about every inch, we're going to inject this bird up. Some folks do the whole chicken, some just do the breast. It's up to you. I prefer to brine, but I forgot about it last night. So we'll inject it. We got our bird all injected up. Let me just kind of scoot it out of the way. Get our seasoning mix here. And I've got 1/4 cup of orange juice and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm adapting this recipe from meatwave.com. What I've got here is 1½ teaspoons of ancho chili powder. I got a teaspoon of dried oregano. I've got about 1/8 or a little less of ground cloves. We've got 1/2 teaspoon of dried cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. We got some Himalayan sea salt. That's about a teaspoon. And then last, I've got a teaspoon of dried garlic. Now, I just want to put all my seasonings in here in the liquid, and we're going to make a paste to rub all over this chicken. I'm using the portable ASMOKE today. Got it on the smoke setting. You can see we're running at 176. A viewer asked me to do a whole chicken on this guy. It's exactly what we're going to do. There's our chicken. Now, this paste we made up wasn't thick enough for me. So off camera, I took it inside, and I put it in the microwave 2 minutes, stirred it, and then put it in there for 1 more minute. It was just a little bit too runny. That's the thing when you're trying a new recipe, somebody else's, you know, it may not be exactly the way you want it. That's okay. You just do what you need to do to make it yours. We got our Mexican paste on there. Let's get the lid down on it. We'll chuck on it in about an hour. It's been 1 hour. We've been running on this smoke setting. Now I'm going to crank it up to 250. Now this chicken's not done, but I will show you what it looks like. Put the rest of that paste on there. She's starting to get some nice color. We're about 3 hours, 15 minutes. I've glazed this chicken once. All this is 2 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of honey. Going to give a little stickiness on the outside. That'll be good. Little flavor. Now, chicken's taking a little bit longer because I cooked it so low for that first hour to get some heat on it. Get the lid down, let it keep cooking. Got our Mexican chicken here. It's been resting about 10-15 minutes. People always ask how long, how long, how long. It really doesn't matter how long. It's the internal temp. I think it was 3 hours, 15 minutes. I know it's a long time. But that first hour I was cooking at like 175, 180. Don't worry about the time. Cook till the temp is right. Now the last 15 minutes I turned it up to 350 because I wanted to get the skin just a little bit crispy. It's not going to be crispy when it's smoked. Can you see that? That chicken is just full of moisture. We're going to give it a try. And I have a lot of viewers that don't like spicy. It's not spicy. It's got some that skin is full of some really strong flavor. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely make this recipe again. Hey, thanks for, I think it was meatwave.com is where I picked this recipe up and adapted it for my own use. Hope you'll subscribe.